Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve network problem on POCO phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, here what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. When you click on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here inside the setting you can see the connection and sharing options. So friends, here you have to move on the connection and sharing. Just tap on the connection and sharing. When you move on the connection and sharing, inside the connection and sharing you can see the screen, and from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and here you can see the option of reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. So just tap on the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Okay, click on it. When you click on it, inside it is you can see this points, no, it just show. Okay, here you can see this will reset all networks. Okay, it will fix all networks. Okay, if you have network problem, then it will solve the network. If you have Wi-Fi problem, then it will solve Wi-Fi problem also. If you are facing the mobile data problem, it will solve the mobile data problem. And if you have the hotspot problem, then it can fix the hotspot problem. Okay, to fix it, what you need to do is that here you can see the reset setting. Just tap on reset setting, and here you can see the reset all network setting. Now this might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo these actions. It will take only 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, so don't worry, just tap on okay. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.